Pratik Sawant. Today I am standing in front of you to represent the doctors of GMC, which includes the students, interns, residents, all the IMA, MSN, the consultants, and all the faculty. This is not just about any particular group, but affects us Goans as a whole. We, the doctors of GMC, strongly condemn the abuse of the verbal abuse of our own colleague that happened in emergency medicine and trauma department casualty on Saturday. What happened was a deeply hurtful event to the whole community of doctors across the state and beyond. We also have put forth our request to the Dean of GMC to file an FIR against the videography and photography which was allowed in the campus against the Supreme Court ruling. Thank you. What are your demands, sir? So what are your demands?
Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Nazrat, working for 29 years in GMC. This unfortunate incident happened to one of my colleagues, and his specific demand is that the health minister should come here during working hours today and conduct a public apology. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Ayush Sharma, President of Goa Association of Resident Doctors. Our demands with respect to this incident that we deeply condemn this act, and in order that the residents of our Goa are facing the repercussions including verbal assaults, abuses and threats by relatives and attendants of the patients, saying that they will refer our videos, they will videograph us and then they will forward it to higher authorities. We have requested Dean sir to immediately pass an order which ends the VIP culture in this Goa, which deeply condemns the act, and any assaulter henceforth, whoever comes forward and abuses or threatens any doctor, will be put on no treatment list. The guidelines of which and SOPs of which will be formed by Dean sir and MS sir, and following our this media addressal, we would request all the other few further questions and everything else that will be answered by our respected Dean sir and MS sir. Thank you.
This no treatment list, is it constitutional?
Like to bring out the fact that we want to stop VIP culture, so we want SOPs against VIP culture. Okay, because it sets a very sad precedent going ahead that we can be threatened at any moment taking any higher official's name just because they are VIPs or pseudo VIPs, so to say. So for our safety, we are concerned and we hope it is addressed. Anything else that has to be addressed will be addressed by a head of institution and a medical superintendent. Thank you.
You want the health minister to resign?
We have not said anything of the sort. Dr. Nazrat has made his comments very clear as to what he wanted to convey about his colleague. Okay, we have not asked for any of what you have implied. Okay, we have made our demands very clear.
You will be satisfied with the apology?
See, it is what the doctor who is affected has asked for. Okay, it is not us. We have put forth our demands, they have put forth their requests. Okay, so we are sticking clearly to these things and nothing more than that.
Doctor, this no treatment list you said, isn't it against your oath?
Thank you so much.
We want justice! 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 बंद करो, बंद करो! VIP कल्चर बंद करो! बंद करो, बंद करो! VIP कल्चर बंद करो! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! बंद करो, बंद करो! VIP कल्चर बंद करो! We want justice! We want justice!
Please like, share, subscribe to Alert Goers.